Now in this problem, we're looking at the number of births in a country that was given as 3 million, let's see if I can mark that, 3,641,000. That's the number of births. And we're looking for birth rate in births per minute. Okay, so that's the first part of our question. So let's focus on that. So we're looking for births per minute, number of births per minute. Well, we know the number of births because that was given as that 3 million number. So we need to use that, 3,641,000. And that's how many births in a year, in the year 2015. So now we need to know how many minutes in a year. Okay, so to figure that out, the number of minutes in a year, there's 60 minutes in an hour, and then there's 24 hours in a day, and there's 365 days in a year. So when we multiply all that together, that gives us the number of minutes in a year, which is 525,600. So now what we want to do is divide these two numbers here. We're dividing the number of births by the number of minutes in a year, and that should give us 6.9. So that's the births per minute. Now the second part of the question asked us to say that, well, if the population is 337 million, so we're going to use that fact, what is the birth rate in units of births per 1,000 people? So this time we're looking for births per 1,000 people. Sorry about my handwriting. So we know the number of births. That was that 3,641,000. So I'm going to replace that in the fraction. And how many thousands of people do we have? Well, we've got 337 million that's given up here that to consider. So what we're going to do is take that 337 million and divide it by 1,000. And when we do that, that gives us 337,000. And then we just divide these two to get the number of births per 1,000 people, which should be 10.2. And I hope this helps.